guys, welcome to Queensland. It is a very cold day today and I've kind of been putting off making some videos as the weather's been pretty ordinary. It's been raining a lot and I don't really want to be testing some brake line upgrade videos in the wet. However, I recently popped a brake line, which you all know about, and I replaced it with a stock brake line, but at the same time I ordered some Goodrich braided brake lines, and they came really quickly. I've got to admit, from the States, they came very, very quickly. I installed them to my car and laid my brakes up, which was a bit of a tricky job. I had to get onto the Mustang forum to work out how to get that job done, but all in all got it done and went out and tested it. So I'm going to come with you and do some brake performance and show you how it's working, and then give you kind of a review of what I think, or what my personal opinion is. So just driving 100 kilometers an hour along here. There's an oncoming car, so I'll let that come past, and then we'll go from 100 to 0. I'll put the clutch in and we'll go 100 to a 0, and here we go. So much so that the automatic indicators came on. Which I've never seen before. So the car's stopping very, very well.